All right. So if you haven't seen any ads for the Bevisgear Topshelf, you can either wear it as a backpack, standard style, with both straps going over your shoulders, or you can stow away one of the straps and you can actually wear it sling style with one strap going across your chest. And sling mode is where it really shines, because this allows you to simply reach back, grab the bag and pull it forward, open up the bag, grab your camera, and get the shot super quick so you don't miss anything. So with sling mode, you basically, when you're just walking around, you want it more snug up against your body. You can simply grab this strap and loosen it, and you can see it lower down on your back like this. Here it's snug against your body. When you want to use the top shelf system, you just lower it a little bit like this, and you can pull it forward, open the bag. When you're done, close it, swing it around here, and then if you want to not wear it more loose, then you just pull it back snug and you're good to go. One of the things I love about this bag is that it's just deep enough that I can put my A7S III or A7 IV on its side with the microphone already attached. Anytime I have a bag, my preference is to be able to store it with the mic already attached. That way I can pull it out and with minimum fuss, start recording right away, and it's gonna be less likely that I'm gonna miss a shot. Yeah, so here you can see this is an A7S III and it's on its side. The microphone is attached. It's even got the 16-35 Mark II and Polar Pro VND on there. And it sits just flat enough when it's on its side with the microphone attached. I can close it and it closes no problem. I can zip it shut no problem. And I have it oriented here in a way, since I'm right-handed, I just grab it with my right hand, twist as I pull it out to let the microphone clear. We're good to go. That was awesome. Another clever part about this bag is that while you can zip it shut, obviously if it's zipped, it's gonna take more time to open it up and get to your stuff. So they've incorporated this button. You basically grab the handle, push the button with your thumb, and it opens. Normally I'd be a little sketched out about storing all of my gear held by a single button in place when I'm swinging the bag around my body. They actually use the same button technology that they use on NASCAR race cars to hold the hood shut. And obviously if they're trusting a mechanism to be able to hold the hood shut when these things are traveling at hundreds of miles an hour, I'm gonna be okay trusting my camera gear with a single push of a button. Also, something that I really appreciate, it has this really satisfying clicking sound. You can hear it click, and you know you're good to go. So another convenience about this bag is that if I had a backpack on right now and I wanted to be able to get to my gear, I'd basically have to take off the bag, set it down on the ground, zip it open to be able to get to my gear. But as you can see, a good use case for this is I'm in the snow, and if I don't want my bag to get wet, I can simply whip the bag around. I can access my stuff. Not only that, say I need to change an ND filter, I can simply shut this. I now have a shelf to be able to take my ND filter off. I could set something down. I can just set stuff here, and I don't have to take the bag off. Say if I'm standing in mud, probably don't want to be taking your bag off and setting it down just to get to your camera. Sometimes in those kind of situations, I'll just get the shot later because I don't want to get stuff dirty. You don't have to worry about that here. I've noticed the feeling of swinging this bag around without needing to take the bag off and put it down in order to access all your gear is kind of addicting. And the size of the bag is just right for me so that I can head out for the day with everything that I need without having something super heavy or bulky on my back. All right, so I finally made it back home again where it's a bit warmer, and as a bonus, I can finally feel my fingers again. It was so cold, it was like 20 degrees while we were filming. As a quick note, I purchased this bag with my own money. It was not provided by Bevisgear, and the thoughts that I offer here in this video are my own. All right, so let's check out this beast of a bag. So we'll start with the laptop sleeve. You access it right along the side here, and it will fit anything up to a 15-inch laptop. Mine's a 14-inch, and you can see it fits no problem. And the inside is lined with this nice soft felt material to keep it from getting scratched. So as far as interior pockets, aside from the laptop sleeve, you've got right inside this door where you open up to access the laptop that is its own pocket that goes down about halfway here. And then inside here, there's also a third bag with its own little zipper where you could keep keys, SD card. And then you've got some external pockets here on the back of the backpack. They both have zippers on them. They're nice, big and chunky. They feel like high quality zippers, and each pocket goes about halfway down the length of the bag. As far as materials go, it's made out of this nice, thick, flat black material that feels durable and rugged. I'm gonna read to you what it actually says it's made out of on the website. It's 500D Cadra carbonate coating PUX2, which is a high quality water resistant fabric. And just for extra protection, they also give you this cute little rain jacket for the backpack. And the cool thing is it goes on the whole outside of the backpack, but when you wear the bag in sling mode and you whip it around, you can still access it and get to the inside while all the rest of the bag is protected. Another cool feature that they gave us is actually a tripod holder that's hiding it here and here. And it's pretty straightforward to attach the tripod. You just take the feet of the tripod and you stick them down in the pouch at the bottom. And then you take the two straps and you attach them there. And the Peak Design tripod is actually so short that you need to extend the neck a little bit so that there's something for the top straps to actually hold on to. And then you just attach the strap here, and now you have a tripod connected to your bag. Based on my use and handling of this bag, it feels like there was attention to detail given throughout, and it just feels like a premium bag. For the 3 weeks I've owned it so far, the Bevisgear Topshelf is quickly proving to be a pretty ideal bag for heading out for the day with everything that I need in a compact and attractive form factor. I'm Rain, and this has been my first official camera gear review of many to come, so I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.